Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with another video. Now I have a laptop, is Dell model, new series, is 15 series laptop, and this laptop is broken, is charging port, and when I want to put the charger, it's moving, you can see. So now I have to open all the screw in backside and remove the battery. After that I have to remove all the screw here, okay, and then you have to remove the screw for DVD room. Now I will remove the DVD player, and under the DVD have 3 screw. You have to remove, be carefully, this you have to remove the 3 screw, or otherwise you will broken the body. So now I have to remove this 3 screw. And remove the back part. Also I have to remove the keyboard DVD side, have some screw, have to open the keyboard, and under the keyboard have some screw, have to remove that. So here is some screw, also have to remove that. Now I can remove the body easily. So guys, this charging port is broken from this plastic, so I put some super glue, okay. After that I will put some glue to fix this. Okay, so I have to use here. Okay, and then I will use this glue to fix this broken part. So guys, now I return back this, okay, and use one screw here. So now we will return back the back cover. So guys, I have done everything. So now I return back the keyboard, and here is some screw. So all done. Now I return back the keyboard. Okay, so I hope this working very good. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video, and hit the bell icon for next video notification. And so this charging port is working perfectly, very good. See, have charging also the battery, and opening the laptop, no problem.